Oh, some Smarties. Hello, I just wanted to apologise for yesterday. With the toaster, I got a bit carried away. It was a bit too exciting and it's not really what this channel's about. So I wanted to apologise to you. I'm going to get back on track today with a bit more of an activity which is in keeping with the channel name. So I'm just going to put these two dishwasher powder thingies away. Right. First we'll open this. One. Two. Let's move that one as well actually. Oh my word, it's nearly a minute long. Let's finish it. Bye.